Welcome to YouTube channel of VMSS online classes of class 12. Today I am going to teach chemistry of class 12 science. Today topic is solution. Okay. Solution. Two or more substances. Two or more substances are mixed together called solution. In binary solution, for example of the suppose sugar solution. In sugar solution, water and sugar both are mixed. This solution binary solution or uniform. This is called the homogeneous solution, uniform solutions. Water is the solvent which are bigger in amount. Sugar is the solute which are less in amount, is called the solution. Sugar solution is the one example of the solution. Solutions are three types. On the basis of state. On the basis of state, which states are found? Mostly three types. Number one, solid solutions. Second number, liquid solutions. Solid solutions are formed in solid. Liquid solution mostly dissolve in liquid. Third number, gaseous solution. Okay. In NCERT book or other books given the total 9 types of the solution on the basis of solute and solvent. This is the main 3 types. Other of the 9 types solutions are 9 types. Okay. Solution, 9 types of the solution. 9 types on the basis of the solute and solvent. So make and draw a table for the 9 types of the solution. थोड़ी इसमें आवाज़ की प्रॉब्लम रहेगी क्योंकि इतना क्लियर नहीं आता है इसमें डायरेक्ट मोबाइल से आवाज़ में. ओके. Types of solution, make a first table. First number column is the serial number. Okay, serial number. Next number of the types of solutions. Second number, next number column, solute which are less in amount then compare of the solvent. Next number, solvent. Okay. Last column for example. Okay. Number 1, solid solution. Solid solution. Solutions. Solid solutions में solute, in column of the solid, liquid and gas. These are the three types. When some solute of solid dissolve in solid, okay, dissolve in solutions, solid mix with solid. For example, alloy metals, yani one metal mixed with the another metal. For example of the alloys. Next number, liquid in less amount, solvent is the more amount. Solvent stage is the solid. For example, amalgam. Okay. Amalgam means of the amalgam, this word used for the mercury Hg. When mercury is mixed with the another metal, form of the amalgam. Next number, less amount of the solid dissolve in solvent. Solid mixed with the gas. Okay. Here example is the hydrogen gas on palladium. On palladium metal. This process is called the adsorption. So showing here adsorption. Some gas particles are deposited on the solid. This is the example of the solid gas. Next number, second type of the solution is liquid solution. Liquid solutions. Okay. Solid mix with liquid. Liquid mix with liquid. Gas mix with liquid. There are three types of the solution. For example, liquid in more amount of solid is less amount. Example, salt water, sea water, sugar solution. Okay, write any example. Sea water, more of the salts are dissolved in water. Example, sea water. Next number, liquid mixed with liquid. For example, one example of ethanol. Ethanol is alcohol or in liquid state. Dissolved ethanol dissolved with water. Okay. Liquid in gas, for example of the oxygen and CO2 are already dissolved in water. Dissolved in water. Okay. Liquid gas dissolve in liquids. For example of the cold drinks, another example of the you add the cold drinks. Okay. Next number of the third types of the solution. Third type of the solution कौन सा होगा? गैसियस. थर्ड टाइप ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन गैसियस सॉल्यूशन. ओके. gaseous solution. In gaseous solution, solute. Next number, solvent. And last number, example. Solvent is the gas is solvent. Solid dissolve in gas, liquid dissolve in gas, and gas dissolve in gas. There are the three types. First number, gas in more amount, solid in the very less amount. For example of the dust particles suspended in air, या dissolve in air. Dust particles in air. Okay. Other metal particles, carbon particles, other particles suspended or dissolve in the air. Next number, gas in liquid. For example of the water vapor. Water vapors already suspended. Water vapors in air, already suspended in air. Gas in gas. Example, the atmospheric air. This is the air is the mixture of the two or more gases. For example, oxygen, CO2 and nitrogen. Many gases are mixed in air. This is the example of the gas in gas. Okay, thank you.